Hey everyone, my name is Reed and I'm here with Kendall Toyota in Eugene, Oregon. Today we're going to be going over the 2025 Toyota Corolla SE. Let's go. My favorite feature of the Corolla SE is just its reliability. I mean, Toyota is known for its reliability. One of the main reasons why is because of the Toyota Corolla. The factory Toyota Care manufacturer warranty comes with a 2-year or 25,000 mile oil changes, tire rotations, regular scheduled Toyota maintenance. It also comes equipped with a 5-year or 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, as well as a 3-year or 36,000 mile comprehensive warranty. For more information, feel free to subscribe to this channel or come down and visit us at our showroom floor. Be sure to ask for Reed, and if you have any questions, I'd love to help you. Or you can check out our website at KendallToyotaofEugene.com. Kendall, let's start something great.